Workforces with the right skills will be vital for UK businesses to become net zero by 2050. But employers face significant skills gaps when recruiting from the labour market. Employers in engineering and technology report a perennial shortage of suitable candidates. Many think government should provide more support to train or reskill in priority areas. Others want to see the provision of better careers advice and guidance in schools and colleges. Some companies say educational pathways could be further improved and call for an education system that equips people for the workplace needs that skills gaps reveal. In light of these challenges, it is perhaps not surprising that only half of employers think it's achievable for their organisation to be net zero by 2050. What other actions can help close the UK's skills gap and meet its net zero targets?